Okay, hello everyone. So today I'll be making a spreadsheet video with Excel on how you could use if statements. So let me demonstrate. So I'm just going to create a simple spreadsheet with students and grades basically. So I'm going to create this cell. I'm going to put last name. Go to this cell and type in first name. I'm going to put test 1, test 2, test 3, and final exam. So let's say the first person is John Smith. And his first test was 85%, and the next test was, let's say, 78%. Third test was, let's say, 93%, and the final he got 93%. And I'm gonna average grade here. So we're just going to add up. I'm going to put equal there, put C2 cell plus D2, as you can see it's highlighted, plus E2 plus F2 divided by 4. So that will give me the average grade for this. And I'm going to put grade here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a simple if statement like this. If grade is greater than or equal to 90, then it'll be A. If grade is greater than or equal to 80, then it'll be a B. If grade is greater than or equal to 70, that's C. If grade is greater than or equal to 60, that's a D. If grade is greater than or equal to 50, then it's an F. So anything under 50 is a F. From 51 to 60 is a D. From 70 to 79 is a C. 80 to 89 is a B. 90 to 100 is an A. So that's how it goes. So we have to use a nested if statement. So I would have to put equal if so I'm going to find the grade for G, the final grade. G2 is greater than or equal to 90, then it will be an A, as you can see. And I have to use another if G2 is greater than or equal to 80, then that's a B. And if G2 is greater than or equal to 70, then that's a C. If G2 is greater than or equal to 60, then that's a D. If G2 is greater than or equal to 50, then that's a F. Else, I think that's it. Okay. So I have 5 brackets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 open brackets here and 5 closed brackets. And that's a B because it's 87%. So let's go to another person, Doe, and I'm going to put Jane Doe. Let's say she did 86 on the 87 on the first, 84 on the second test, 92 on the third test, and she got 100 on the last one. So we're just going to move it down here and see what that is. 90.75 is an A. That's good. Joe Packard. Let's see if he did about 75, 89, 75 again, 85, and let's see what happens here. Okay, 81% B. Alright. We could also use different types of stuff too. So let's say let's use a different cell. Let's say this is purchase. Number of times visited. Okay. Let's say if this person visited per month. Let's say this person visited 13 times in a month. Then we're going to put regular customer status. So I'm going to put the equal if C7 is greater than equal to, let's say, 10 times, then we would say this is a regular customer. Okay. Regular, we'll put regular. Else, if not, then it'll be not regular. And then close it here. So 13 times visited, so this is a regular customer. See, Jane Kobe. And this person visited 5 times. And what would happen here? Not regular. She visited 20 times, then this would be regular. So as you can see in this thing that I wrote here, I'm going to copy it here so you can see it better. I'm sorry, that's not it. I need to open up Notepad here. Alright, so as you can see, if customer is greater than or equal to 10, regular. Else, it's not regular. So it's if and else statement. So it's just a single statement. So what I did here, that's a nested. Press escape, get out of here. This is a nested if. So if condition is greater than equal to 90, then it's a A. Else if condition is greater than equal to 80, then that's a B. Else if condition is greater than equal to 70, then that's a C. Else if condition is greater than equal to 60, that's a D. Else if condition is greater than equal to 50, that's a F. else, what did I put? Oh, I didn't put else in here. There's no else. So it's just, that's the condition. But we could add an else to finish it. Not valid. I could put that in there if I wanted to, but I didn't. So that's how you could use if statements. So instead of like trying to determine it by using a manual means, you could just use the if statement to determine it automatically. So let's say we have another student. Let's say we have Vic, and let's say he did, let's say 50, 65, 55, 45. Then we get the grade here. Just automatic, so it's 53. So this is how you can use else if statements for spreadsheets, which makes it a lot more automated than having to do it manually. You could just have it fill everything automatically, and this could save you a lot of time if you're doing this. Okay, now let's try the AND function. And basically, I'm gonna put some number here. So I'm gonna use the AND function here. And so let's say A1 is greater than equal to 2000, and A1 is less than equal to 2020, then number is between 2000 to 2020. Else, no, number is not between 2000 to 2020. We're just going to put not, just to simplify it. So since it's 2012, it is between 2000 and 2020. So let's try 2030. So this is not between 2000 to 2020. 2030 is not, basically. That's basically true. So for the AND function, it has to be between the numbers. So if it's not within, so if it's not between, if number is greater than equal to 2000 and number so if the number is not between 2000 to 2020, then it's going to come out as not. So if the number is between 2000 to 2020, so let's say 2001, then the number is between 2000 to 2020. And 2001 is between that, so for the AND function it works. Let's try something else. Let's put fat man, fat cat. We're going to say if and fat cat, if A is equal to fat cat, we have to use quotations for strings, for letters and stuff. And B and A2 is equal to fat cat, quotations again, fat cat, then we close it, then it's fat cat. It is fat cat, not fat cat. Okay, I didn't put number. A2. Okay, so fat cat is fat cat. Fat dog. So fat dog is not fat cat. Okay. Let's try this. If I put fat, no, doesn't work. What if I put fat cat? Still doesn't work. Because this is the AND function. So let's try OR. Put fat. And this time we're going to change the Boolean function to OR. So if I put fat or cat, it's gonna say it is fat cat. So if I put cat, then it's fat cat. If I put skinny, then it's not fat cat. So this is the difference between the AND function or function, which we can use in a spreadsheet like Excel, for example. So this is pretty useful thing to know. I think that's it for this. So anyways, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.